So today you had a meeting with all the GMs of South Goa. So what is the output? What is the grievances? What are the things they kept before you?
First and foremost, it was a good meeting with the GMs of the South Goa hotels, especially on the coastal belt, to understand their issues and things, apprehensions, and our plans ahead. Sarkar jenna kaam karta, it cannot be only that we are giving or only they are having issues. We need to work together. That's the way we have made it. So on my visit today, I could have a lot of learnings, what they have as it issues, certain apprehensions. The major apprehension becoming the same story of Mopa and Daboli. Coming here and reassuring them about Mopa and Daboli both going together. How the new flights, the new areas have opened up in Mopa, not touching upon anything in Daboli. At the same time, we are trying to focus, like today, we are talking about Spirit of Goa Festival after many years coming into Kolwa, significantly to give the South Goa the focus. Konkani, Kepe, हे दोन्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरच्या माध्यमांतल्यान टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट ऑलरेडी काम करपाक मास्टर प्लॅन सुरवात केल्ली आसा हा नॉटिकल टुरिझम वास्कोचेर वी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड मुव्हिंग ऑन दॅट लायन अलॉंग विथ MPT सो एवरी एरिया टू साउथ in terms of new tourism services and infrastructure we are talking about. We also need regulations in terms of taxi, water sports, many other things, and understanding them and what ideas we share. Because today we have an app which is a taxi app, which is of the taxi fellows only. We have had a good response, but it is more on the north. Because the Mopa side लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी register करीत गेले. The launch of the app soon will give a relief to many people, and this is a app for them. So तांच्या माहिती तांकां तांची रेट तांच्या प्रमाणे ऑपरेट करून ते आणि ते येता ती वेलफेअर स्किमी स्वतः टॅक्सीवाले भाव वापरतले तातूंतल्यान वी विल गिव देम अ फोकस एरिया. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टँड की इकॉनॉमिक्स जे आमच्या बारीक लोकांक हेल्प जाय ताच्या खातीर हांव आसा, सरकार आसा, मुख्यमंत्री आसा, आणि ती बिल्डअप करता आसतना हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री कशी बॅलन्स करची, नवे चॅलेंजीस कशे हँडल करचे, आणि apprehensions or things which they had we have cleared. We have also asked them for their support to the government in terms of putting and channelizing a lot of thoughts. It's not only the coastal belt but around the south, and I think the reciprocation from everybody intellectually has been a good discussion, and we look forward at solving many of these issues. Many are solved which needed to be informed, and very importantly is the bottom line is दोघांनी बरोबर काम केलेलं जाता. इट इज नॉट डेट हांव करूं तूं कितें करतलो सरकार कितें करता म्हज्या खातीर जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा हॉटेल इंडस्ट्रींतल्यान ही अपेक्षा आसता ताज्या पेक्षा वी वर्क फायंड आउट सोल्युशन्स एंड वर्क टुगेदर. दे हॅव CSRs, दे कॅन सपोर्ट अस ऑन द बीच, दे हॅव मेनी थिंग्स दे कॅन वर्क टुगेदर एंड फायंड प्रॉब्लेम्स टू द सोल्युशन दे हॅव, आय मीन सोल्युशन्स टू द प्रॉब्लेम दे हॅव. So things can be done, and that is what we have done. So I think it's quite a good start. They were happy that it's the first time that the government is coming and talking to them. I think it's a welcome step for all of us to sit together, brainstorm, and find solutions to the problems in terms of transit systems from Mopa to the south and backwards from south to Mopa, ensuring that the tourists get a good experience, and getting regulations in putting other things together and creating a good tourism ecosystem is our mantra. आणि तातून आमच्या बारीक लोकांक हेल्प करप, तांकां वयर सरपाक दिवप, टुरिझम एक्टिविटी वाडोवप आनी गोंयकारपण सारके तरेन दाखोवप हें जें आमी करपाक प्रयत्न करता टुरिझमाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हें डिस्कशन जालां. आनी आय थिंक इन अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स वील सून सीट बॅक एंड रिव्यू ऑन वॉट वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड टुडे.